Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make pressure cooker green beans with smoked turkey. Now, I made this on Thanksgiving and I was supposed to upload this on Thanksgiving, but my life has been so crazy since Thanksgiving, I'm uploading this on Christmas Eve Eve. Alright, so let's start with some freshly washed green beans that have been cut and trimmed. And I've got some sliced onion along with some smoked turkey legs. Now I'm using my 14-quart pressure cooker because like I said, this was for Thanksgiving, so I was making a lot. So I've got 2 of the smoked turkey legs along with half of my onions and then all of the green beans. Once the green beans were all in the pot, it was time to season them up. I've got ranch seasoning, granulated garlic, granulated onion, Creole seasoning, crushed red pepper flakes, and freshly ground black pepper. Once all the seasonings had been added, I gently tossed the green beans in the seasonings to get all the flavor throughout. Then I added in a whole bunch of garlic cloves, followed by the remaining smoked turkey leg and the rest of the onions, 4 cups of chicken broth, and a stick of butter. Next, I sealed up the pressure cooker and set it to cook on high pressure for 20 minutes, followed by a quick release. Alright, so after you've opened the lid, go ahead and remove the smoked turkey, and you're going to remove the skin and break the meat off into pieces and then put the meat back into the pot, give it a stir, and there you go. There's your easy peasy delicious side dish, so full of flavor. So if you like this video recipe, give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it and it helps my channel. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and click that red button and tap that bell so you know when I upload next. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!